Hello everyone! Today we're addressing a common issue some of you might face when trying to use Surfshark VPN to unblock Netflix. While Surfshark is generally reliable, there are instances where it might not work as expected. This is true for most VPNs, as Netflix actively works to block VPN IP addresses using advanced anti-VPN software. Let me show you a simple troubleshooting method to resolve this. First, if you're unable to access Netflix through a specific Surfshark server, the easiest solution is to switch to a different server. For example, if you're connected to the Boston server and it's not working, try selecting another location such as Detroit, New York, or Buffalo. Most of the time, this will solve the issue. To demonstrate, let's say you are trying to watch a movie called Trading Paint, which is only available in the United States. And if you are not currently in the US, Netflix won't show it in your library. Here's how to fix that. First, connect to the Surfshark Boston server. If the movie still doesn't show up after refreshing Netflix, simply switch to a different US server. This process involves disconnecting from the current server and selecting another one from the list in the Surfshark app. Once connected, refresh Netflix again. In most cases, this will successfully unblock the content. In addition to switching servers, make sure you're using the WireGuard protocol in the Surfshark app. WireGuard is the fastest protocol available and ensures the best connection speed. You can select it by going to the app settings, finding the protocol options, and choosing WireGuard. If you've tried multiple servers and protocols but still can't access Netflix, you might want to consider using a different VPN. One excellent alternative is NordVPN. NordVPN is highly reliable for unblocking Netflix and other streaming services. It has a large network of servers optimized for streaming and handles Netflix's anti-VPN measures exceptionally well. If you're interested, there's a link in the description to try NordVPN at a discounted rate.